SharperTek's XP series, our economy industrial ultrasonic tank line, is designed to deliver industrial strength cleaning at a price point that works for you. Built with durability, efficiency, and precision, the XP series is the perfect solution for a wide range of industries. Introducing the XP 2000-63G, a standout model in our XP series lineup. This robust ultrasonic cleaning system is tailored for exceptional performance in industrial environments. With optimized dimensions and powerful cleaning capabilities, the XP 2000-63G is built to handle even your most challenging cleaning tasks. Here are some model-specific specifications. The XP series is engineered for performance and reliability, featuring durable stainless steel construction for long-term use, ultrasonic generators with frequency sweep technology for consistent and precise cleaning, powerful immersion heating elements to quickly reach and maintain ideal cleaning temperatures, user-friendly design, including easy access ports, manual fill valves, and digital controls. And some XP special features are cost-effective industrial cleaning, reliable stainless steel construction, and advanced ultrasonic cleaning technology. See the XP 2000-63G in action, cleaning ports with precision and ease. Ultrasonic waves penetrate deep into hard-to-reach spaces, ensuring optimal and fast cleaning results. SharperTek's XP series and the XP 2000-63G combine industrial-grade performance with unmatched value. Elevate your cleaning process today. Contact us to learn more.